So we're back for hike 34 of 2026 and our second hike of the day and second state park of the day. We drove about 10 miles from Cooser State Park to Laurel Hill State Park, and we're going to do the Laurel Hill Lake Loop. So you do start out on the road and there are a lot of cars coming by, so just be careful. And this is something I've never seen before. They have a flyberry with different fly fishing things to borrow. Very cool. So the trail is pretty narrow and there is a steep drop off on the side. So just watch your step. Got a little camping shelter. And this area was damaged by storms about a month ago, but it looks like they have the trail pretty much cleaned up. We have our first obstacle. Good job.
Let's go.
So we got to the dam, and unfortunately there's this big tree down. There is a way through it, so we're gonna try to bushwhack.
You all right?
Yep. Oh, we made it. And as you come out of the woods, this is the Trent House Bed and Breakfast. Looks very pretty. And we are back to walking on the road for a little bit.
Oh, baby.
Now we're off the main road and back inside the park, and that was very sketch. Cars do not slow down at all, so just be very careful. It's the visitor center with a gift shop and also a monument for the Civilian Conservation Corps. I'm going to take the Copper Kettle Trail back to the car. And we're back at the truck. We did 3.92 miles with 423 feet of elevation gain. It was a really nice hike. The lake is really pretty, and there's a lot to do at Laurel Hill State Park. Lots of recreational activities. There's a lot of people on the beach, kayaking, paddleboarding, and the beach is also handicap accessible. And we saw a sand wheelchair that was available for rent. So yeah, definitely a park to check out. A lot more to do than hiking. So yeah, check it out.